Christmas begins in the quiet, where light slowly awakens the heart of the home. In these calm details, warmth becomes something you don't just see, but gently feel. As the light unfolds, the room transforms quietly, intentionally, beautifully. This season invites us to slow down, to embrace the elegance of simplicity and the comfort of soft illumination. With the HAGA warm settings, lighting becomes seamless, a quiet luxury that shapes mood, depth, and emotion. Every glow gently softens the moment, turning familiar corners into memories illuminated with meaning. Because true luxury isn't loud. It's the feeling of light that flows naturally, beautifully, effortlessly. This Christmas, illuminate your home with warmth that lingers. HAGA, where every light becomes a feeling.